How many times have you been told, "I'll believe it when I see it"? Yeah, me too, many times. You see, this is what makes many of us so different from others, because we actually don't have to see it to believe it. What we do have to, however, is believe in it. Back in July of 2018, a certain guy by the name of Ash Mufareh released 2 audio videos setting out his vision of an online digital marketing system and what he was trying to achieve in the online space. His idea was brash, brazen, and some even might say crazy, because what he was proposing to do had never been done before ever. He was looking for founders to partner him in his vision, to have the same dream and belief as he did, to be able to bring this idea to the masses. I caught this vision in September of 2018 just from listening to this incredible visionary of a man and what he wanted to achieve, and boy, have I had one hell of a journey from those humble beginnings way back then to where we are now, ready to unleash this mega complete online digital solution that's called Onpassive. I couldn't be happier to have had the belief when I did so. You see, sometimes you don't have to see it to believe it, sometimes you just have to believe. For those that want to see it first, go check out and get back to the person who connected you here. Redfern UK. A Bill Must production.